welcome to Rev Sports. Joining me today is one of India's finest archers, someone who has been at the heart of the sports rise in the country. She's a multiple time World Cup, Asian Games, and World Championship medalist, and now fresh from winning silver in the mixed team event at the World Archery Championships in Guangzhou. Please welcome Jyoti Sureka Vennam. Jyoti, it's so lovely to have you here, especially right after that win. Incredible performance from you and Rishabh. Take us in. First of all, how are you feeling? And take us inside that final. What was going through your mind as you walked on that stage today?
Thank you so much. And today we are we won silver, but we missed the gold. And there's a small this thing that we missed it, but we are happy with our performance because yesterday we shot really good, and today too we fought till the last arrow. And this time we settled for silver, but hopefully it's gold next time.
Absolutely. Jyoti, we all know archery is a mind game. Were you nervous when the match began? Of course, a medal was assured, but you're always aiming for that gold. And
Mm-hmm.
were you able to settle quickly into rhythm, or was there some nervousness in the beginning?
No, there's as far as it's for me, like I was not nervous. I was very focused on giving my best rather than thinking about the external factors, and I just wanted to shoot my best on the podium.
And how did you personally handle those few seconds before releasing an arrow? Because you always look so calm, so composed. As you said right now as well, you were not nervous. How do you
Mm-hmm.
handle?
I don't know, maybe it's because the experience I have had for the past few years. But as I said, I know I made a good shot, but there were two arrows that landed in nine. But I was not okay with it because I shot really good, and I was like, why it's in the nine? So, yeah.
After those nines, Jyoti, was there a particular shot where you felt the pressure the most?
No, there was no pressure. In fact, once you see that you missed it, like you try to get it better the next time. I mean, you are more focused, I believe.
Yeah. And when that last arrow was shot and the result
Hmm.
was clear, you knew you had the silver. What was your
Yeah.
very first thought?
Uh, Not happy as everyone should be, but yeah, it's a game. One has to win and one has to lose. So yeah, it was like they shot really good the last two ends. They shot clean 40 and 40. So yeah.
Could you have done anything differently looking back? If you could replay any one moment?
Uh, I don't know because as I said, we really gave our best no matter what. So that's what matters, right? You have to be
Yes.
satisfied with what you have done. The
And
result is not in your hands.
right. And tell us about the communication with your partner. What were you talking throughout the game and before the match as well?
During the match, it was only the cue words that we use actually, like if one shooting what he wants to hear as a cue word, and or for me it's the same. Uh, and before the match, as I said, we were just thinking about giving our best no matter what and fighting till the last arrow, whatever the result may be.
Absolutely. And looking ahead now, Jyoti, compound archery's inclusion in LA 28 has
Mm-hmm.
given the discipline a new future now. How do
Mm-hmm.
how do you see these wins feed into your preparation and motivation for Olympics?
As I have said previously, LA 2028 is far. If you see it from now, like it's almost 3 years from now. So we just want to take one step at a time, giving our best in each and every tournament as we participate in. And yeah, we'll see because as it's a long journey and many things are going to change because now we have been gaining support from each and every one after the inclusion, and it's not the same as it was before.
And you've been competing for over a decade now, Jyoti. What
Mm-hmm.
are the challenges of staying consistent, or should I say, how do you stay so consistent? And what drives you to keep pushing? As you said, Olympics is still over 3 years away now, but
Mm-hmm.
what keeps the drive up?
I think just the thing that your desire to win something or desire to prove yourself at the world stage or international level, I think that would be one. Like for me, it's more personal. Like I try to keep my goals short term. Like as I said, each and every tournament I have my goals. If it's next day, like if I have any next tournament that's coming up, that would be my like major priority or major goal for that for some time till it ends. So it is that way, and the competition is tough in India. It's getting tough. Like many young archers are coming up and they are scoring really, really high. And to maintain and to, compete and prove that you are still there, it's a bit tough. But I think it's a good thing, a good sign, as I believe, for the Indian sports because there is a pipeline of young athletes uh, that are really trying hard to prove themselves. And yeah, for me, as I said, like if I have won something, it would be my next goal would be what is that I didn't have, like I don't have with me the medals. So that would be my next goal.
Absolutely. And final couple of questions. First of all, I'd
Mm-hmm.
like to know, how are you going to celebrate this win, this silver medal win?
Uh, the celebration is not yet started, or maybe it's postponed a bit because we still have matches coming up.
Yeah.
2 more days of matches, so we'll win as many medals as possible and celebrate it later.
And who was the first person you called today? After, of
After the
course,
match,
after the
of
match,
course, my
yes.
parents.
And what was the conversation like? Take us through that.
They were really happy because it's my ninth medal in the World Championships, and it's not easy to win the medals at a World Championship, as you know. And they're really happy, and they're like, it's okay, even it's a silver, but you played really well and you shot really good. Like yesterday too, we shot 160 in the first match and continued shooting good till the very last arrow today.
And I know, Jyoti, that you say that you want to take it step by step, but
Mm-hmm.
the Olympics medal, is that the final aim?
Maybe yes, because that's something which is missing because I have medals in each and every tournament I have participated in. And now, as it's included in Olympics, maybe let's hope for the best.
All right, we want to see you rise. We want to see you on that Olympics podium as well. Congratulations for the
Thank you.
silver medal, and good luck for the journey ahead, Jyoti. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you so much.